Hello, my name is Manfred. In this tutorial we demonstrate how to import MapPoint files to Maptitude. In step 1 we import MapPoint datasets directly to Maptitude. In step 2 we use for the same purpose the MapPoint tool IC-DatasetExport, and we will use the classic MapPoint PushPins. Last we show how to import polygons using the tool IC-ShapeManager. Let's start with a typical MapPoint map. This map contains 3 single datasets, 1 multiple dataset, and drive time polygons. When import has finished, this will be the result. Legend shows all data and polygon layers. We start with the general purpose map of the United States. We click on Open File, we choose the file name and say Open. Maptitude analyzes the file and shows all found datasets. 4 datasets were found, with in all about 1,400 records. You have to select a folder where the new map will be stored. Importing MapPoint addresses takes time, more than 5 minutes for about 1,400 pushpins. But as we don't want to waste your time, we use the time-lapse factor of 15 for this video. I think you will agree. You can smoke a cigarette meanwhile. Okay, it's finished. In total 4 datasets were imported, and now all pushpin sets will be assigned to the classic MapPoint symbols. We choose color image, MapPoint classic, and then we select the blue icon. We say open, and we have to determine the right size. In this case, I think it's about 14. We say apply. And we say OK. Have a look to the display manager on the left. To shorten the time, we have assigned symbols to the other datasets, you see. To import the Chamber of Commerce dataset correctly, we have to make it the working layer. The 3 pushpin icons show a certain range, for instance 200 to 750 members. The easiest way to do this is by starting the Create a Theme wizard. We choose 3 classes, as we have 3 selections. We go on Customize, and then the from to values should be the same as in MapPoint. 751 to 1,500, 1,501 to 2,000. Okay, we go to Styles, and we go to Color Images again. We choose the red dot. Size is 5. We say OK. Go to Style, Color Image, Blue Sticker. Size is 14. We say OK. And last but not least, we choose the yellow flag. And the size is 20. We say OK. We click on OK, and you see the map with all the pushpins. We convert the theme to selection, so we can switch selection sets on and off. That's important. Now we make a double click on sets. We drop the empty set and rearrange selections in a way that the highest range appears above. Okay, we say close. We close the set and we click on Apple stores, Amazon Realtors and Ferrari dealers. Okay. In step 2 we show how to import using the MapPoint tool IC-DatasetExport. That's a great tool. We start the MapPoint program. We click on Tools and start the program IC-DatasetExport. You see an import form opens and we can select all datasets we want to export to Excel, Amazon and Chamber of Commerce and so on. We define a file name, an Excel name, and we say save and the export begins. Compared to the direct import into Maptitude, it's very fast. You see it's only 1 minute and all information about the datasets will be exported to an Excel sheet. The selected datasets are exported with the corresponding latitudes and longitudes. And all other information you put to the flags and icons. Okay. The result is next spreadsheet with individual data sheets of each dataset. The geocodes, latitudes and longitudes are added to the postal address. We have Ferrari dealers, Apple stores, Chamber of Commerce, and the Chambers of Commerce, more than 1,000, we will now import to Maptitude. We switch again to Maptitude and open the Excel worksheet. Okay, you see we'll open Chambers of Commerce. We name the layer. And a geographic file we can store for later use. We have to name the geographic file. And you see, the display manager, we have chambers to layer. That's a way to export and import addresses. In step 4 we use the MapPoint tool IC-ShapeManager for Polygon export to an S3 shapefile. This MapPoint map shows all drive time zones of the Amazon offices. Now we show how to export all shapes and polygons to an S3 file. We click on Tools and start the IC-ShapeManager. You see it? One powerful feature of this program is that you can select, combine and export shapes. You see, all polygons were found, and now we name the shapefile. Amazon drive time zones. We click on Save, and as a type we select S3 shapefile. Okay, save. We leave the program. We switch to Maptitude again and we say open. We select the file type S3 shapefiles, Amazon drive time zones. We say open and we import the layer. OK. And we have to name the geographic file. It's equivalent with a layer. We say save. You now see in the display manager on the left the green polygons. We change the style, color and opacity, yellow, and fill opacity about 50, that's good. I say OK. We arrange the layers so that the drive time zones will be behind the push pins. That makes sense. Let's zoom in to have a closer look. The highwall layer becomes visible. And you see all the polygons and shapes. We zoom in. The red flag is Everton Young, Washington. And now we activate Apple stores, Ferrari dealers and chambers of commerce. You see all the push pins. Okay, that's it. The result is a Maptitude map with all information we got from MapPoint. It's fantastic. The tutorial MapPoint to Maptitude. 5 reasons to attend. The following 5 reasons should cause you to sign up for the entire seminar. The first reason is we are the company with the most experience regarding the program MapPoint. Second, you will receive training both for MapPoint and Maptitude. And we show step by step how to use the fantastic features of Maptitude. You will get all necessary conversion tools for free. It's a 1-year license. Participation costs are very reasonable and depend on the number of participants in a company. Don't wait, start now. Register on our website profit100.eu/maptitude/tutorial. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.